In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and manage multi-currency settings in your accounting software. This feature is particularly useful if you deal with international customers or vendors, allowing you to handle transactions in various currencies seamlessly. The first thing you'll need to do is access the Account and Settings menu. You can find this by selecting the gear icon, which is usually located in the upper right corner of your dashboard. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, look for the Account and Settings option. This area is crucial as it houses many of the foundational settings for how your software operates. Once inside Account and Settings, focus your attention on the Advanced tab. This section is dedicated to preferences that offer more customization to your accounting experience. Within the advanced settings, you'll find the currency section, which is where you'll be making the changes necessary to utilize multiple currencies in your transactions. To enable multi-currency, you'll need to turn on the multi-currency feature. You might notice a prominent option labeled multi-currency. Click this option to activate it. Some software might require you to save your changes, so be on the lookout for a Save or Confirm button after toggling the feature on. Enabling multi-currency allows you to manage different currencies within your account, making it easier to handle international transactions. With multi-currency now enabled, your next step is to add the specific currencies you'll be working with. This can usually be done by selecting an Add Currency button or link within the same section. You'll be presented with a list of available currencies to choose from. Be sure to select all the currencies you need for your business activities. It's not uncommon to deal with multiple, especially if you have a diverse international customer base. After adding the necessary currencies, the final step is assigning these currencies to your customers and vendors. Navigate to your customer or vendor lists, which are often found within your main dashboard or under a specific tab labeled Customers or Vendors. When you select a customer or vendor to edit their details, you'll see an option to assign a currency to their profile. Assigning a currency to each customer or vendor allows you to streamline transactions by automatically applying the correct currency to each invoice or bill. In summary, by enabling and assigning multi-currency within your accounting software, you greatly simplify international transactions, maintaining accuracy and efficiency in your financial records. Remember, managing multiple currencies can seem daunting at first, but with these steps, you'll have a smoother workflow and better financial clarity. Thanks for watching, and if you need further assistance, feel free to reach out to your software support team for more help.